Hey, so today I'm here to talk about another important market segment actually. So this is bathroom renovation. So bathroom renovation, though we think that okay, it's like a part of interior design or it's part of construction or real estate or property, but bathroom renovation has its own, potential as well. I'll tell you why. Actually this particular market is growing at a rate of almost around 118. It's like a $118 billion market and growing, though it's growing at a rate of around 4.6 to 4.7% CAGR. But there is a uniqueness in that. So I'll tell you some of the use cases and how, I would say data analytics and how I would say that how technology, overall technology can help in this particular bathroom renovation market actually. So if I talk about one of our projects that we are, I'm closely associated with, RenoSwift. So RenoSwift actually does this thing. They utilize technology for, I would say, bathroom renovation. So bathroom renovation, when I say that, I'll talk about the entire operations. So we have tried to automate the entire operation, starting from customer onboarding till your supplier onboarding, till your material management, and then definitely your, I would say the project performance, the project scale and project and performance, the entire project that we take care of. And also what we are doing over here is, so in terms of virtual reality as well, we have tried to put some components over there, which means that if a customer just uploads a picture of a particular bathroom, let's say, so what happens is we have the capability to convert it into a 360. And also, from time to time, what we do is we take a photograph, a virtual reality photograph of that particular location. So it gives a customer an understanding about how the bathroom is being renovated. So it says pre, and then during, and post. So these are the three stages where we can utilize virtual reality. And overall, why only virtual reality? So even technology plays a very important role. So imagine, from time to time, you will be able to understand that, okay, how this renovation is progressing, what kind of equipments or what kind of materials are being used to renovate. And there are many things. We need to understand the tiles, the concept of the tiles and the slipperiness of the tiles. Then we need to talk about how the water level, should be, the drainage system and water and all these things, right? So there is a lot of science and a lot of technology that goes behind it to make that perfect, and renovated bathroom. So that's a very big market. And while people are, let's say, staying in different locations, if you talk about the new generation, they are away from their parents, they are away from their homeland. So, but they want to give a very good and hygienic and a comfortable bathroom experience, at least for their parents and grandparents. So RenoSwift comes as a savior over there, I would say. And this product is very close to my heart, and I wish to take it to the global market. So if you have any kind of queries related to this particular product or project, so please, you can get in touch with us, or you can always get in touch with the RenoSwift team.